Ever feel like your phone could just read your mind and move things for you? Well, with the Galaxy Z Flip 6, it almost can, if you know this hidden drag trick. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate the drag feature through the bottom left pointer stop on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. It's fast, it's easy, and honestly, it feels like magic once you set it up. Step 1. Open your Settings app. You know the classic gear icon. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Step 3. Now, go into Interaction and Dexterity. Stay with me. You're almost there. Step 4. Tap on Auto Action after pointer stops. Step 5. Under bottom left corner, tap it. You'll see a list of actions pop up. Step 6. Find and select drag. When you click it, the button should turn blue. That means it's on. Now, when you connect a mouse and move your pointer to the bottom left corner, you'll see the drag menu appear. Just click it and start moving anything you want across the screen easily. No more fussy gestures. No more tapping a million times. It's a lifesaver for multitasking, editing documents, and making your phone way more accessible. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more hidden Galaxy tricks. Drop a comment below if you want me to uncover even more secret settings you didn't know existed.